Good morning, friends. So today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today I brought a new story, that is, when you are going to make new friend, then never give up your older friend, because if you are living to that older friend, then what will be the consequence? Instead of this new friend, you would have never thought about the output, about the outcome of this new friend, and about that older friend. I am going to narrate it through this little bit story, and hope that you will try to find out the ethic of this story. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there was an elephant and a deer was used to living. They were very closer friend to each other, because they were living together, even they were sleeping together. So this reason they were very closer, and the friendship strength was so very big. One day, a monkey came over there where they were living. They were living on the bank of pond. So this reason, the monkey came over there and started talking in the pond. Seeing to this thing, the deer thought, with whom this monkey is talking? Who may be in the pond? Then that deer thought and came over there, and he saw that the monkey was talking with his reflection. He was talking with his reflection in the water. Seeing to this thing, that deer said, with whom you are talking, and why are you talking here? Who is your friend in this pond? Then that monkey said, I have not any friend. I am talking with my reflection, because I don't have friends. So this reason, always I talk with myself and give consolation to myself, because I don't have any friend as you have. Then that deer said, it is not my closer, and it is not similarity of friendship, because that is so higher, that is so strengthened in comparison to me. So this reason, I do not want to keep this types of friendship. If you want to be friendship with me, then we can keep friendship together, because we are in similar figure. So this reason, it may be the real friendship, it may be the closer friendship in comparison to this elephant. It was the sentence of that selfish deer. So that's why this is the result of giving up that friendship which was having with that elephant, and they become the friend of this new monkey, and he left to that elephant who was very closer of this deer. So this deer and this monkey went to the searching of food again, and he left to that elephant. When they were taking round of that jungle, then that elephant saw to this deer with new friend, and got so upset, so nervous, so disappointed, because he never ever had left to that elephant. So this reason, he thought that this is new friend of this deer. So this reason, he left to me. It was the reason of this elephant got upset and left to that deer as well. It was the compulsion of that elephant as well, because they had already left to this elephant. So this reason, it was the compulsion. It was only a regret thing for that kind elephant, that wise elephant. One day, when these two friends was taking round of the jungle, then lion came over there, and seeing to this thing, the monkey, the clever monkey, climbed on the tree, and he left to the friend who is new, that is deer. He left to that friend deer, and then that deer thought, if deer will be my friend, here will be my friend elephant, then I can save my life. I could save my life, because he was longer, he was taller, he was strengthened in comparison to this lion. He can save my life, he could save my life. It was the remorse, it was the regret of that, because this new monkey friend had also left to the deer in the time of at the time of drastic at the time of problem. So this reason he regret to that and he remembered to that elephant and shouted, save my life, save my life. It was the explanation, it was the sentence of that selfish deer. Then that elephant heard to this noise, heard to this sound, and thought this is the sound of my closer friend deer, and came over there and saved the life of this deer, and take to that elephant, took to that deer and said, oh my dear, you had made new friend monkey, that's why you had left to me, so this reason I was so disappointed. Then that deer take lot of apology, said sorry my dear, it was my misunderstanding, it was my forget, it was my very big mistake, that's why I had left to you, and if today you would not be here then I would die, and that clever monkey had left to me and climbed on the tree, so this reason I was very big in problem, that's why I regret you and remembered you, and you saved my life here, that's why I am alive here and giving lot of thanks, and please forgive me, please forgive me, I will never repeat it. And then they became again friend. If like these types of activity you are doing in your friend circle, if you are living, if you are lefting to that friend who is your closer, who is your friend since your childhood, then it is a very big problem, you are making big mistake for yourself, because who is your new friend you don't know about the characteristic of that, you don't know the potential of that, you don't know the quality of that, so don't leave the older friend as well who was your well wisher, who is your very closer and who is well wisher, who can help you, who can save your life at the time of terrible, at the time of drastic. So hope that you will never be like this clever deer, like this selfish deer, you will be always like this elephant who saved this life deer as well after this big mistake of deer. So be the friend of like this elephant, never be like this monkey who had left to that deer at the time of need, at the time of help, at the time of requirement. Hope that you will try to understand the morality, the ethic of story. Tomorrow again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye again.